Lucid Gravity SUV is Lucid Motors' first luxury electric SUV, promising cutting-edge technology, long-range capability, and opulent design. If you want to see the future of ultra-luxury EVs, hit like and subscribe. The Gravity is set to redefine premium SUVs. The Lucid Gravity sports a bold and clean fascia with the signature Lucid lighting signature across the front. Slim LED headlights stretch toward the sides, integrated into aerodynamic lines that emphasize efficiency. The closed grille is minimalistic, focusing on airflow management for the large EV body. At the back, the Gravity features a wide, full-width LED light bar, giving it a futuristic and luxurious presence. Sculpted rear panels and a subtle roof spoiler enhance aerodynamics while maintaining elegance. The bumper is clean, with integrated diffusers for improved airflow. From the side, the Gravity SUV is long, low, and aerodynamic. Its coupe-like roofline flows into a wide rear, while large wheels fill the wheel arches. Smooth surfaces, flush door handles, and minimalistic side mirrors add modernity. The SUV exudes luxury and power while remaining efficient. Inside, Lucid emphasizes space, tech, and luxury. A curved glass dashboard houses a panoramic touchscreen and digital driver display. Premium materials like leather, sustainable wood, and metal accents create a serene environment. Spacious rear seating, a flat floor, and advanced driver assist systems ensure comfort and convenience for passengers. The Gravity will use Lucid's high-capacity EV platform with dual or tri-motor AWD options, delivering exceptional torque and acceleration. Range is expected to exceed 650 km WLTP in top trims with ultra-fast charging capabilities. Advanced aerodynamics and battery management ensure both efficiency and performance. The Lucid Gravity SUV is a luxury statement. Futuristic design, spacious high-tech interior, long-range EV capability, and dynamic performance make it a top contender in the premium electric SUV market.